cultural world of our company, there is a motto: innovation drives development. Cooperation shares the future. This concept was planted as a seed right from day one. It means we encourage every bold and imaginative idea, and we respect every seemingly clumsy attempt. It is precisely this culture that has enabled us to secure dozens of independent development patented technology, allowing us to stand confidently on the global stage of technology competition. Today, we would like to invite you to take a closer look at the fruits we have nurtured, the all-new generation of AI bareback making machine.